these buttons straightened out here. It's pretty good water.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a garter from out 4 mile away.
Hmm.
Always a clam.
I resemble
Looks
that.
like
Who's that?
Betty Denton. She married a Denton.
Well, who's that lady?
I don't know. She might have been. That's Putnam and Walter Hunt.
Hmm.
She might have been the cafeteria woman. Now this is Putnam. I think that's Pat Putnam right there.
Hmm.
That's Miss Putnam. And the elementary school again. They call him Eagle Eye. He directed traffic in front of the schools for Carolyn Setterfield's daddy.
Hmm. Can you pause it?
Hmm?
Can you pause it?
Yeah, if I can find the button.
Hmm.